Alright, here we go. Alex going to feed the emu. Straight look pocket. Right, we're going to feed the emus. Here we go. Right, Alex, just hold it.
No, you can't do that, darling. You've got to push it.
Yeah, it's crapping. It's making more room for that food. Look, oh, I can't wait. Look.
Oh, I'm scared.
So am I.
Use it. Use that. Look, use it. I'll let it eat it in my hand.
I just did that.
Yeah, and it actually would have
It was quite a big.
Do you have to hold it tight? See it snatching.
It's a hungry boy, eh? Say thank you then.
Right, Lucy done it, so I have to do it.
You have to do it. Your wee sister did it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Take a euro out of there.
Hang on.
Yeah, on you go. It's alright, just take a euro. You got two. You got one there already.
We've got that. That's all. We've got no, but we haven't got.
Here you go, girls. Boy, sorry.
Thank
Here you go, stick it in. It's alright, just keep it.
Dad, you watch him.
Right.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Right, Alex. Dun, 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 dun,
Yeah,
dun,
it's like-
dun, dun, dun. Go on then.
There you go.
Oh, come on, you fairdy cat.
Oh, Lucy, I've just picked all of him. It's okay. It's okay.
Right, 5.
Okay, you little rat bag.
Is that good? See, it's happy now. See it? Dave, it's got a smile on its face.
The noises if we're fighting our farm. Reproducing. Reproduction when we're going through the...
I didn't like that.
That's it's got the booms and grunts. That's the two noises. Oh, how did that?
You get it?
No, I put €2 in as we come
Yeah,
out.
it's video and just...
I dropped it.
That's it. That's all we got for it. Right, no, don't put your handy up, please, darling.
Why?